You probably clicked on this video because you made a product to offer in your Etsy shop and you put everything into it. Your time, your energy, your creativity, all for nobody to buy it. Not a click, not a favorite, nothing. And the frustrating part is you had no way to know before you made it. Well, today I'm going to change all of that because I'm going to show you exactly how I know whether a product will perform before I even add it to my shop. And I've been heads down building something very cool, and today I finally get to show you one of the tools I created to do this better and more efficiently than ever. We're going to research 3 different product types in the same niche, and one of them might be one that you offer, so you'll want to stay with me through the entire video. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Danya, and I'm a top 1% seller on Etsy, and I did that in only about a year. Now I help others here on my channel in my Done For You niche club through one-on-one coaching and shop audits how to do the same. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, and earlier I mentioned a tool that I created, which I cannot wait to show you. It is my Bestseller Finder tool. You'll be able to type in any niche, any product type. Hey there, Editing Donnie here. I wanted to quickly pop in and show you a couple of changes I made to the Finder tool after I recorded the video. To help get you started, you can start with any one of these niches up here. You can click any one of them and it'll fill it in for you at the bottom under the niche section. And if you don't know what type of product you want to offer at this time, you don't need to fill in the product type. You can go ahead and click Find Bestsellers, and then you'll be taken to the Etsy search results with an array of different product types to hopefully give you a bit of inspiration. But if you do know what product type you want to offer, you can go ahead and click Enter. It'll take you to the search results. You can definitely enter your own niche, your own product type, and take it from there. In addition to the tool, you do have a quick start guide of how to use it. And I did create a bonus PDF of 100 suggested Etsy niches. They're organized by category. In that bonus PDF, a list of digital and physical product types and 20 popular niche and product combinations to help get you started and get you that inspiration. Okay, back to the video. And you'll be taken directly to Etsy with the search results already filtered for you. So you're only looking at the top performing listings. It can really help streamline your research process and help get you moving in the right direction. I want to look up Dog Mom. And then for the product type, let's begin with a PNG. I love PNG, so we'll see what we get with that. And you can either hit enter or you can hit the button to find the bestsellers. And just like that, we are taken to page 1 of the search results for Etsy, and you can see all of them have either that bestseller badge. That way we're only looking at the listings that already have proven by Etsy that they are performing well and people are actually buying them now in real time. There are a lot of different art styles or design concepts here in the Dog Mama niche. You can really have a lot of fun with this particular niche. But let me show you something very cool. And I'm going to hit refresh on the page. And now you can see that we have additional data under each listing here. I'm gonna come back up to the very top. And that additional data is from another research tool that is one of my favorite research tools, and that is Everbee. And I like it because I can see how old the listing is and how many orders it's had in the past month, the revenue it's earned. Now here's the thing with any of the research tools, they are going to be a couple of weeks behind with updating the data. So we can see here that Everbee is showing us that the Dachshund PNG, it's a month old, it doesn't have any orders yet. However, we do have that Popular Now badge from Etsy. It really just means that Everbee hasn't caught up with the data yet, but we're good because we know that per Etsy, we have that best-selling listing. But I do want to show you the 4th of July one over to the left a little bit in the middle. It has that Popular Now badge, and just a quick heads up that Popular Now and Bestseller, those badges are interchangeable. They really mean the same thing. We can see from Everbee that we have a 2-month-old listing, and in the past month, it's had 18 orders, which is really good. And that's why it has that Popular Now badge. Everbee is one of my favorite research tools. If you want to try it for free, I'll have a link below for you in the description. But going back to the results that we got from my Bestseller Finder tool, this listing right here is a bestseller, as we already know. It's a 15-month-old listing. This month alone, it's had over 100 orders. I clicked the little B icon over here to get a bit more context from Everbee to get some more data on that particular listing. And we can see here from Everbee that in the lifetime of the listing, it has had over 600 orders, which is very cool and that's really exciting. So again, the Dog Mom niche is very popular. But I am going to just continue to work my way down page 1, and what I'm looking for are common elements. Am I seeing the same phrase, the same color palette, the same design elements? Are there flowers? Are there stripes, stars? etc. Just so I can know when I begin to go and design it, what elements are currently working, because we're looking at listings that are actively being bought right now. And I'm going to continue using my Everbee data. This one here, Dogs and Sunshine, it's only a 2-month-old listing with 22 orders this month. These are the things that I am putting away in my brain when it comes to determining what I want to create and what elements and how I want my design to look. A good rule of thumb is to take different elements from different top selling listings to create your own. You're pulling some of the key trending popular elements and you're creating that in your own design. This one here, we have a funny weenie Dachshund baseball PNG, a 2-month-old listing with 100 orders this month, which is just crazy to me, but I love that. Let's click the Everbee button to get a bit more context behind it. In the 2-month lifetime, it has 159 orders, which is beyond impressive. And then when I pull up the all-time revenue, we can see that it made over $800 in only a 2-month period from one listing. So this was just getting ramped up, but it's doing well enough that we have that bestseller badge. We can see that people are purchasing it, and it's only going to go up from here. Now let's move on to the next product type. We're going to make our way back to my tool, and Dog Mom is already there. We don't need to clear that out, but for the product type, I'm going to type in shirt, and then we'll click the button to find our bestsellers. And let's see what we get. Okay, and we already know to expect that we're only going to be seeing popular now and best-selling items. So these are really cute. And check out the first listing that we have here. We have a custom pet photo and name shirt, 2-month-old listing with over 350 orders in the past month. I'm going to click that button from Everbee to get a bit more context behind it. And we can see here that it's about to hit 1,000 orders pretty quickly, and it's only 2 months old. It has earned over $4,900 in the lifetime of the listing. You know what? I stand corrected. $4,900 in the past month. Let me pull up the lifetime revenue to get how much it has earned. And it has earned over $5,800 in a 2-month period. So if you do POD, the Dog Mom niche is definitely going to be one that you want to look into. Then we have one right here on the far right. That's really cute. Again, a 2-month-old listing with 23 orders this month. My tool, in conjunction with a research tool, if you want, you can do your research a lot quicker to determine what direction you want to go in. Okay, we have another custom pet shirt. This one is only a month old, and it has over 100 orders this month alone. So now I'm thinking, okay, I should probably think about doing a custom pet shirt, because we've seen 2 so far, and we're only in the 3rd or 4th row from the results that we got from my bestseller finder. And we already have a few options, but this will be the 2nd custom pet photo shirt that we saw. So now I'm thinking, okay, I may want to think about doing custom pet shirts. And this one over here is really cool. Pet dogs, read books, be happy. This one is a typography designs, and those do so well on the platform. You don't need design experience to do something like that. This one is a 4-month-old listing with 28 orders this month. Let me check out the lifetime of the listing. 46 orders in the lifetime of the listing. Hoping that you can see how lucrative and profitable the Dog Mom niche can be. But before we move on, if you want me to look up a particular niche and product type that you want to see, go ahead and comment below the niche and the product type, and maybe I'll do it in a future video. Now let's move on to the final product type. And I think you might be shocked about this one. And we're going to change our product type from shirt to printable wall art. And here we are again with nothing but popular now badges and bestseller badges. And these are really, really cute. Just like with the prior product type that we talked about, we have a typography only design doing very well. Welcome to the bathroom. A dog will be with you shortly. That's really cute and that's funny. And that is also a new listing. It's only a 4-month-old listing with 27 orders this month alone. In the 4-month lifetime, it has had over 100 orders. So it's averaging about 25 orders a month from only one listing. And again, that doesn't take any type of design experience to be able to do that. We have a really cute one over here on the far right. It is a 3-month-old listing with 15 orders this month. Something else to keep in mind too, that I preach to my Done For You students all the time. When it comes to Etsy, it isn't about what you like. You need to make things that people are actively buying. Let's continue looking on page 1. Okay, and I'm looking at the one over here on the far left, the vintage running dog print, 7-month-old listing, still a new listing with 136 orders this month. Let's check out Everbee to see what other information we can get. It has had over 400 sales, which is just crazy. Let me check out the all-time revenue, and we're a little over $2,200 from one listing. Now, something else I thought was pretty interesting is if we go over to the far right, we have a bundle of custom bathroom pet portraits. It is only a 3-month-old listing. with 74 orders this month. I'm going to click Everbee, and I'm doing all of this in real time. I haven't looked at anything yet. You guys are researching with me in real time. It has 158 total orders, but this month 74, and this month it has brought in $2,300 in revenue. Let me pull up the lifetime revenue, and we're at $3,900 from one listing. But remember, something that we saw earlier that seems to do pretty well in the dog mom niche are custom pet portraits. So if I'm a wall art shop, or I'm a print on demand shop, or a PNG shop, I'm going to start thinking about offering custom pet portrait listings in my shop because there's clearly a demand for it. Now my brain is thinking in real time as well. There are custom pet portraits that are doing very well, and typography designs that are doing very well in the dog mom niche. Some food for thought, and I'm hoping that you're beginning to pick up how to learn what to focus on and where to shift your attention. That way you have a better understanding of what has a good chance of doing well in your shop if you do it correctly. So quick recap. Before I ever open a design tool, I run my niche and product type through my bestseller finder to check what's actually performing right now. And then if you add in Everbee, it helps you to validate the data as well. And here's what I want you to take away from this video. There is room for you. The market is not too crowded. The opportunity is definitely there. You just need to know where and how to look. But if you want all of this done for you every week, the research, the niches, titles, tags, live calls, everything, that's exactly what I do inside of my Done For You Niche Club. I'll have that link below in the description for you, in addition to Everbee and to my bestseller finder tool. The video on your screen right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll love, so I'll catch you over there. Bye.